Financial proofreading? I know what you're thinking. When I say proofreading, perhaps you think of mechanical correctness. You think of editing, of getting things right. But when you get right down to it, it's really a much larger topic. It's not only correctness, it's all about style. It's about how you present yourself, how you look, the impression you make. I'm going to talk about the kinds of business documents you prepare for the outside world. Style, in a general sense, is the kind of clothes you wear, the way you furnish your home, the way you set a table, the arrangements you make for your wedding. But in English composition, style has a narrower meaning. However, this particular meaning of style encompasses everything about which there are no firm rules. Now, there are style rules, but this can be a contentious topic because those rules don't always apply, and not everyone applies them the same way. I don't mean to be murky about this. I'll give you some examples as we go along. But that's why I say style is not black and white. There most certainly are rules. This is a big book of them, the Chicago Manual of Style. Shown here is the 15th edition, which is now out of date because, believe it or not, things are changing so fast. This book started out as a manual that the University of Chicago made for its in-house press to deal with scholars and their publications. It rapidly became the Bible for the book publishing industry. If there's not an answer in here, nobody ever asked the question. But we all know what happens when experts start making rules. They disagree. The other half of the publishing world, namely newspapers, magazines, ad agencies, and PR firms, use this, the Associated Press Manual of Style, which does not agree with the Chicago Manual on many obvious points, things that would show up in your everyday writing. So which should you follow? I think it's kind of funny that on the cover of the AP manual it says, for journalists, students, editors, and writers in all professions. Not. Yes, reporters, publicists, ad agency copywriters follow this to the letter, but most book publishers do not.